So Narasimha Bhagwan ki. Okay. See, the point is that when you look at the technological advances that are there today, the time that we had started, we didn't have those facilities. And of course, then we are dealing with a certain budget, with a certain technology at hand. And technology ऐसा है कि it obsoletes faster than you think, right? So it is only by the grace of divine that this has been pulled off to such an extent. But the next time around, people, Janta Janardhan ko ab expectation hai, right? So we also need to up our game and up our technology. And of course, we have wonderful producers, distributors, and Anil Bhai, pan India. But now we have tech, we have the artists, so we need to pan it out faster. We need to dish it out faster. So 2 years is what we are looking at to dish out Mahavatar Parshuram like never seen before, in a scale that's never been experienced before. That is my promise to you. Yes.
Yeah, hi sir. Here.
Yes.
Myself Poonam. I'm from Bollywood Teams and
Ji.
Lakshmi magazine.
Ji.
So I've seen the whole film,
Ji.
and this film is given a really very positive aura and a very confident.
Yeah.
And it shows the symbol of that you should never surrender or give
Yes,
up yourself,
yes, yes.
which was the whole film
Yes.
is all about.
Correct.
But I know one thing that अच्छाई भी है बुराई भी है.
जी.
That I think the whole film was narrating the thing कि
जी.
अच्छा भी है और बुरा भी है.
जी.
So I really didn't understand that the person he was having this 4-5 things, that he has a anger, he has greediness, he has a lust, he has all this issue,
Correct.
the negative character.
Yeah.
So वो डर, उसको पता है कि वो गलत है और वो इसलिए छुप के बैठता था क्योंकि उसको पता है कि वो गलत है. But why he target his own son? Why his own son? मतलब क्यों उसको टारगेट करा उसने? उसका खुद का ही बच्चा था वो.
See, since time immemorial, if you look at, there is no stopping the ego of a madman. You know.
Yeah. This is
So
the
this
ego.
this is just one such story that you basically see. When you have megalomaniacs having a reign of power in their hands, जब अतिशोक्ति होती है शक्ति की उन लोगों के पास जहाँ पे उनके पास धर्म का ना साधन है ना विचार है, तो this is the result that you basically get. So power in the hands of a responsible person versus power in the hands of irresponsible person has a certain merit and consequence, right?
Yeah.
तो इसी प्रकार से अगर आप सोचें कि if you had all the power of almost not dying, what would you do? Because if you don't have the conscience and anchor, then you'll go astray. This is what Hiranyakashipu is. Now today in this world also we have many Hiranyakaships, little Hiranyakaships. घूम रहे छोटे-छोटे रावण घूम रहे हैं, छोटे-छोटे Hiranyakashipu घूम रहे हैं. Is it not?
Everywhere, all
Everyone,
the place,
yeah.
every
Yeah,
second,
everyone.
every moment.
Yeah. So and so कितने सारे घरों में ऐसा हो रहा है, पिताजी एडवोकेट हैं, वो चाहते हैं बेटा भी एडवोकेट बने, बेटा कहता नहीं मैं बड़े होकर एक्टर बनूंगा. It starts with an A also, you know. But and there's a conflict at home, right? So it is a eternal conflict of ideology that
Correct.
you see, right?
Correct.
Where the person with the power might want to project his power onto others. But the divine will always find a way to balance, and this is what this divine intervention of Bhagwan Narasimha is. आपके पास कितनी भी शक्तियां हो, लेकिन you cannot fool the divine balance because it will find its